also supports our military, our homeless veterans, and the Gary Sinise Foundation. For every bar you purchase, they also send a bar overseas to our military. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to eurosoapcompany.com, choose your favorite scent. You could also buy the t-shirts and hats. And when you go to the discount, when you go to checkout, put in the discount code BADGE. And that's in reference to badge. Everybody needs one. And hear what he has to say about it.
You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it. So I'd like to thank Saucy very much and all her subs and viewers and everything. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Okay, quite a few of you have requested, and so I've been doing some research on where I can get the best cost for you all on some t-shirts. So I found a program called Bonfire, and I was able to create t-shirts right now. Fortunately, they don't have the other products I would prefer to have till I find other things. It's taken me a while, unfortunately. But this is a much affordable product than Teespring. Teespring, I would have to sell them at least like about $24.99, 25 bucks. This one I can sell at $19.99. So I found a better cost for y'all. The link is down below. And if you like, go ahead, purchase a t-shirt. Then I want to see a picture. They come in 5 different colors. So you can check out those colors down below. And of course, all the different sizes. I think the larger you go, though, it does increase in the price. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. But anyways, so we got t-shirts. All right. Let me know what y'all think. And let me know if you purchase any. And if, again, I want to see pictures of you with it. All it has is my logo on the side. No, so if you want more, I can do more. So I'm just testing this out to see how it goes. If it doesn't work out, I will remove it because I don't need to keep up with all these different things. And by the way, this campaign of selling this is only good till for 21 days, and the delivery will be between November 13th and November 19th, I believe. So all depends on when you purchase it. Once this campaign expires, if I haven't had any good sales, I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it. And that tells me not too many people are really interested in it. All right, people, thank you again for supporting my channel, being there for me through everything I have gone through, and just watching my videos. You all have an awesome, awesome day. I'll either see you up the river, down the river, or on the road. Have a good day. Bye-bye.